Hello, how to solve for a and b in this equation? Square root of 2 to the power of square root of a minus square root of 2 to the power of square root of b is equal to 28. Solution. Take note of this, that if you have square root of x, this is equal to x to the power of 1 over 2. Then this square root of 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of square root of a minus this square root of 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of square root of b is equal to 28. Now take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m, this is equal to a to the power of mn. Then this can be written as 2 to the power of square root of a divided by 2 minus 2 to the power of square root of b divided by 2 is equal to 28. Then from here, we let square root of a divided by 2 is equal to x, and then square root of b divided by 2 is equal to y. This equation can be written as 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of y is equal to 28. Now, if you look at this, you can see that 2 to the power of x is greater than 2 to the power of y. Therefore, x is greater than y. Then, we let x is equal to y plus k, where k is any integer. Then here we have 2 to the power of y plus k minus this 2 to the power of y is equal to 28. Note that if you have 2 to the power of m plus n, this is equal to 2 to the power of m multiplied by 2 to the power of n. Then from here, this can be written as 2 to the power of y multiplied by 2 to the power of k minus 2 to the power of y is equal to 28. Then here, 2 to the power of y is common. Let's bring it out. We have 2 to the power of y bracket. If you divide this by this, we have 2 to the power of k minus, if you divide this by this, we have 1 is equal to 28. Then 28 is, let's divide by 2. 2 here is 14. 2 in 14, 7, 7, 1. So we have 2 square multiplied by 7. Then we have y 2 to the power of y bracket 2 to the power of k minus 1 is equal to 20, can be written as 2 square multiplied by 7. Now let's see. If you look at this, 2 to the power of y is even. Then 2 to the power of k is even. If you subtract 1, it becomes odd. 2 to the power of 2 is even, and 7 is odd. So let's hear this. We have the first case is 2 to the power of y equal to 2 square, and the second case will be 2 to the power of k minus 1 equal to 7. Now from here they have the same base, y is equal to 2. This is the value of y, and from here 2 to the power of k is equal to 7 plus 1, 2 to the power of k equal to 8. Let's divide both sides by, okay, 2 to the power of k is equal to 2 to the power of 3. They have the same base too. K is equal to 3. But s is equal to y plus k, x is equal to y is 2 plus k is 3, x is equal to 5. But recall that we have square root of a divided by 2 equal to x, and then square root of b divided by 2 equal to y. Then square root of a divided by 2 is equal to x is 5. Then here square root of b divided by 2 is equal to y is 2. Now let's solve this. By cross multiply, we have square root of a is equal to 5 multiplied by 2. Square root of a is equal to 10. We are looking for the value of a. Let's square both sides. Square root of a square equal to 10 square. This will cancel this. A is equal to 100. This is the value of a. And from here, the second case, square root of b is equal to 2 multiplied by 2. Square root of b equal to 4. Let's square both sides. Square root of b square is equal to 4 square. This will cancel this. B is equal to 16. To check, we have the given equation 2 to the power of square root of 2 to the power of square root of a. We have the given equation square root of 2 to the power of square root of a minus square root of 2 to the power of square root of b is equal to 28. When a equal to 100 and b equal to 16, then we have square root of 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 1 divided by 2 to the power of square root of 100 minus this square root of 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of square root of 16 must be equal to 28. Then we have 2 to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of square root of 100 is 10 minus 2 to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of square root of 16, that is 4, must be equal to 28. Then remember that if you have a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m, then this can be written as 2 to the power of 10 divided by 2 minus 2 to the power of 4 divided by 2 must be equal to 28. 2 here 1, 2 here 5, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. You have 2 to the power of 5 minus 2 to the power of 2 must be equal to 28. 2 to the power of 5, that is 32, minus 2 to the power of 2, that is 4, must be equal to 28. 32 minus 4, this is 28, is equal to 28, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.